Hey guys, this is me, Sherwin.
It's me.
Hello! Hey! Nandito kami sa sa CR. Okay, kami dalawa lang ni Joanne. Yes. Ang ganda-ganda namin. Oh, see? Ganda. Ganda-ganda namin. Alam mo na. Nasa school kami, wala pang pasok. Ganda ng corona. Ganda-ganda ko ngayon, guys. Alam mo yan, may puting eyeliner ako. Ganda ng kilay. Okay, this is so, I'm so very full now. Tomorrow. Watch my outfit tomorrow. See you guys. See you later. Bye.